3, 2, 1, off we go. Right over small crest to a 4 left, 100. Right over small crest bump to a 2 right, 40. 6 right long over small crest, and a 4 left, and a 4 left, into 2 right tightens, and a 2 left long tightens, 2 left long tightens, 40. 6 right flat, 100. Slow in 2 left tightens, to hairpin left, hole outside. 2 left, hairpin left, hole outside. And then hairpin right, logs on exit. And a 4 right long, 40 to turn hairpin left. 40 to turn hairpin left. And a 5 right. And a 5 right. And a 3 left. 40. 4 left, opens over small crest. And a 5 right, 100, 5 right, 100, slight left, and we've got a double caution, deceptive, hairpin right is double caution. Five left, continues for 80, flat, and a 5 right flat, 60, and you go right and keep mid of crest, go right and keep mid of crest, with 2 left, don't cut, tightens. And a turn to right with sudden 1 left. Turn to right, sudden 1 left. There's a 1 left. 40, 3 left long. And a turn hairpin right. 3 left long, turn hairpin right. Rough inside. 130. 130. 2 left past the lane, 2 left past the lane. And a 6 left over small crest. 40. 4 left over crest bump, 4 left over crest bump, keep in, 60 down, to an hairpin left long. And a 2 right long, tightens. Right over crest to a 2 left, 80. Got a crest and an hairpin right at the lane, crest, hairpin right. 170. 170. 4 left, hole inside, 4 left, hole inside. 150. 2 right over small crest, narrows and is tight, 40. Logs. 5 left long to the dip, 5 left long to the dip, and a 5 right flat, 60, to an hairpin left over bump, hairpin left, and a 5 right long flat, 60, 6 left over small jump, 80, right over small crest, 20, to a 5 left over small crest, tightens, 5 left over small crest, tightens to 2 left, slippery, to a tight 2 right. Tight 2 right, another 2 left, 20, to another 2 left, tightens to hairpin right. 2 left, tightens to hairpin right. And a 2 left opens, 60 through the post, to a turn hairpin left. 3 right, 2 left, stump inside. 6 left, line. 6 right, mid over small crest. 5 right past the lane, flat, 100. 5 right, 100. 6 right over small crest, 80. To a turn hairpin right. Through posts. 130. Made the crest flat, 150. 150. Mid over the dip crest, 40. 6 left over crest jump, 150. 6 right flat, 150. And a 6 left long, 150. Got a small crest and a 2 left falls away. Small crest, 2 left falls away. Sounds better. 2 left. 4 left long. And a right over small crest. Right over small crest, 40. 5 left over camber, don't cut. Tightens. Tightens. 40 down. 5 right. 5 right. And a 4 right, don't cut. 4 right, 2 left. Slow into right to hairpin right. Slow into right to hairpin right. This loose. It tights. 40. Square left over small crest. Square left over small crest. 40. 2 left long. 80. 80. 6 right over small crest. 80. Got a caution left. Left of a big jump. Keep left a big jump. 150. 5 right long, tightens to hairpin right, hairpin right. Hairpin right, 60. 4 left continues for 100. And then tightens to a 2 left over camber long. Tightens to a 2 left over camber. 60. 6 left, 60. Small crest and a 3 left long. 3 left long, 4 right, flat. 3 left long, 4 right, flat. 200. Left over small jump. 5 right over crest. Slow in 4 left. Right over crest. Slow in 4 left to a turn hairpin right. Hairpin right. Hairpin right. 40. 40. 3 left don't cut. And a turn square right. 250. 250. 3 right over crest jump, don't cut. 3 right over crest jump, don't cut. 40 through the dip. 2 right, 60. 6 left continues to 100 and it tightens to a 2 left, don't cut. 6 left continues 100, tightens. 2 left over small crest, don't cut. Down. 5 right, 20. And a 4 right long tightens. 4 right long tightens. 5 left over small crest, 100. Left over crest bump to a 3 right caution, dip, hole inside. Hole inside. Small crest, 5 left tightens, 40. 6 right, 80 down. 6 right long, 6 right long, 100. 100. 2 right to a 2 right. Another 100. 2 left over small crest, caution. 2 left over small crest, caution. 150. 150. Left over small crest, 80. To a 3 left tight. 3 left tight. Into 4 right. 4 right continues for 100. Continues for 100. Down to another 4 right. 4 right. And a 5 left long. 4 right, 5 left long. 5 left long. Into a 4 left past the hut. 4 left. 100 to a turn hairpin left. Turn hairpin left. 80. 80. Turn hairpin right round the barrier. Hairpin right round the barrier. There it is. Hairpin right. 3 left. 5 right over crest, slightly opens to 150. 150. So turn hairpin left is tight. Turn hairpin left tight. 200. 200. Oh, come on, you bitch. 4 right. Into turn 2 left, don't cut. Turn 2 left, don't cut. And a 5 right. 5 right. 130 up the mid. 4 right flat. 4 right flat. 6 left long. 6 left long. and a 3 left past the lane, 3 left and a 3 right, 3 left, 3 right, 40, 6 left long opens, 6 left long opens, 40, tight 3 right, 60, to a turn 2 right, turn 2 right, 40, 6 left, continues for 130, tightens to a 4 right, 40, 6 left, 100, then left, and 4 right over finish, 4 right over finish, 4 right, 200, it's alright, you will run through 200.